Hello. I have 5-door Kitchenaid KRMF706ESS01 refrigerator keeps freezing up evaporator coil every 2 to 3 months. Replace part #W10316760 still doing the same thing. Refrigerator is 2 years old.
Do you know the model of your Kitchenaid fridge?
KRMF706ESS01.
How long has this been going on with your Kitchenaid refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
I have 5-door Kitchenaid KRMF706ESS01 refrigerator keeps freezing up evaporator coil every 2 to 3 months. Replace part #W10316760 still doing the same thing. Refrigerator is 2 years old.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. The site is going to send an automatic phone call offer. It is not for me, please disregard the offer. I am not available via the phone. So your thermistor would not be the cause of that. The issue is with the defrost heater not kicking on and defrosting the coils like they should. The heater itself will need to be replaced, sadly. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/whirlpool heater evap 33 bmwp1272912 app 6005557.html. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
Sometimes that might work for a couple months and it's fine. Not sure if it's a heater.
The heater would be the only thing that makes sense. It's not activating to defrost the coils. You can test it if you have a multimeter.
That has a continuity.
So you already tested the heater then? Okay, just a moment please. Currently on your service manual, by the way, https://s3.amazonos.com/sm backend production attachment/service manual W11338620.pdf. It has to be your bimetal thermostat that is the issue, however the parts blowout is not matching up with the service manual, so please bear with me. Cause this states the bimetal defrost thermostat is part of the fan assembly and wiring. https://s3.amazonos.com/sm backend production attachment/repair part list W10853389rev.pdf.
There is no defrost heater. Customer attachment March 21, 2024, 18:46 a.m.
The heater is under the coils? I thought you said you tested it. Let me ask you something, is the problem coils in your fridge section or freezer section?
Fridge. That's fridge.
So on the service manual it shows the thermistor in there. Is that the one you replaced? Also, the wire harness itself contacted the defrost thermistor as part of the wiring, which could be the issue. Which, if so, the wire harness would need replaced.
I replaced the thermistor. Not sure if wiring is the issue.
Was the door sealing shut all the way? At this point it's the only other thing that makes sense. Ice only forms if it's not defrosting or the doors are not sealing right.
It is tight.
There are just not many options here. The heater is good in the freezer. The defrost thermostat is really all that left, but it seems on this model it's part of the wiring.
Yeah, that's what is so frustrating about that problem. A lot of people have same problem according to the reviews online. Sometime it can be fine at least for a couple months. What about refrigerant valve next to compressor? Can it be a reason?
That would indicate a problem with the sealed system. It's entirely possible, but would need to be pressure tested to know for sure.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.